In this video, we're going to create a database in your MySQL account in Bluehost. So we go to mybluehost.com, and then we'll log in using your domain name, and then the password that you created when you set up your account. So we'll be logging into the dashboard, and then we'll want to go down to the Advanced tab over on the left right here. This will expand some sub items, and we'll pick databases. First thing we're going to do is create a new database. So basically we just have to give it a name. So I'll call it Podio_sync. Try not to use spaces here, just bad practice. Use the underscore instead of a space if you have two words. Now, confirmation that the database was created, so we go back. We'll scroll down a little bit, and we need to create a user now, because each database must have a user that has privileges to allow you to add things to it and edit and modify the database. So we're going to create the user Podio. Now, if you notice that the Bluehost manager here wants to tack on the first 8 characters of your domain name to it. That's just to keep it generic. And then we'll create the password. You can use the generator to create the password. I like doing that because they're want to be so complicated with the passwords. I don't feel like making one up. So we use the generator, and I just store that password somewhere off to the side. Now we'll create the user. Confirms that the user has been created. Let me go back. And the last thing we want to do here is link the user to the database. We scroll all the way down to the bottom and to the Add User to Database section. Select the user that we just created and also the database that we just created, and click Add. And now it'll ask you to assign the privileges for that user to the database. We'll just select all privileges. May not need them all, but I do that just for one account because then it's like the admin account. So we'll make changes. Click that. Save changes, and now we'll go back. So that is set up. That's how you create a database for your syncing that we're going to do through Globiflow. And the next thing, on the next video, we're going to show you how to create a table within that database. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thank you.